Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to add contacts to Gmail. This is a simple but essential task that helps you organize your email communications and makes it easier to find and reach out to people you regularly correspond with. Let's walk through the process step by step. First, open your web browser and navigate to mail.google.com. This will take you directly to the Gmail homepage. If you're not already signed in, you'll need to enter your Gmail credentials to access your account. Make sure you're using the correct account if you manage multiple Gmail addresses. Once you're signed in and viewing your inbox, locate an email from the person you want to add as a contact. Click on that email to open it fully. This step is important because Gmail allows you to add contacts directly from emails, making the process quick and intuitive without needing to navigate to a separate contacts section. With the email open, hover your cursor over the sender's name. You'll find this at the top of the email, right above the subject line. When you hover over the name, a pop-up window will appear displaying some basic information about the sender. This window is your gateway to managing contact information for that person. In the top right corner of this pop-up window, you'll see an icon that looks like a person's silhouette with a plus sign next to it. This is the Add to Contacts button. Click on it to begin saving this person's information to your Gmail contacts. This action opens up an editing interface where you can review and customize the contact details. At this stage, you have the option to edit any contact information as needed. For instance, you might want to add a phone number, a physical address, or even a nickname to help you identify them more easily later. These additional details aren't required, but they can make your contact list far more useful, especially if you use Gmail for both personal and professional communication. Once you've reviewed and edited the information to your satisfaction, click the Save button. This finalizes the process and adds the contact to your Gmail address book. From now on, when you compose a new email and start typing this person's name, Gmail will automatically suggest their email address, making communication faster and more efficient. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.